This is another example of a word manipulation question. When you first see this question, it might be a bit unclear at first, but breaking it down is the most important thing you can do. What you have here is you have two sets of words, and the middle word in each set is in brackets. You need to work out for the second set which also goes in brackets. The best way to break this down is to see that the words outside the brackets are related to the words inside the bracket. However, they're not related via meaning, they're related by the letters used. Notice how the first word of road is also the first word of the words in the bracket. Therefore, we can assume that the bracketed word in the second pair would be the same as the word on the left, which in this case is W. Next, we look at the second letter, which is A. This letter does appear in the word road, however, it is the third letter. And again, we replicate this relationship by finding the third letter of the word on the left, which is again A, and placing it in the bracketed word. Next, we move on to M. This does not appear in the word on the left, however, it is the final letter of the word on the right. Therefore, if we look at the final letter of the word on the right, we have the letter N. And finally, we have P. P is the first letter of the word on the right, and if we replicate this relationship one more time, we can take the letter D. Now, to check if your answer is correct, always look at the word that you've just created in the brackets and ask yourself, is this a real word? If the answer is yes, there's a good chance that you're right. If, however, you've created an incorrect word, start again and see where you went wrong.